So this is the basic design for the craps application. You can see all of the pucks over the different point values. This is our starting puck here, and underneath these are all of the different dice, all loaded into one. And all these labels are hidden by default. So if we go into the code, we have our form level variables here, and when the user clicks roll, we are generating two random numbers and displaying the dice depending on which one that is. And we are also setting all of the stuff for the stats table, which will be here, the labels for the die, the total, the points, and the score. And these are our big cases. So if the user on their first roll rolls a 7 or an 11, Craps has decided that that is a winning value, so your your score is increased by 1. But if on the first roll they roll instead a 2, a 3, or a 12, that is a bad value and your score is decreased by 1. And if you roll anything else, then that roll is now your point, which is your next goal, and you will keep continuing. This is for the other state. The state is the second one, where we are now rolling for the non-first time, and we need to check each individual roll with our point value that was set. So here we go with all these. And if our roll, our new 2 rolls, is equal to the point, that is a winner, and that is the only chance for us to win, which will increase our score by 1. But we also have the chance of rolling a 7, which would mean that we lose a point in this case. Any other roll, you keep rolling again until you hit one of these values, in which the states will reset. So let's play our game. And as you can see, none of the default values are displayed aside from our black puck up here. And if we click roll, we got a 7 on our first roll. That is a good value, and our score is increased by 1. We still do not have a point set. This time we do. We rolled a 6, which is not an important value. Our puck is set to 6 up here, and now we get to roll again until we either hit a 7 and lose a score, or we hit the 6 and gain a score. There we go, we rolled a 7 and we lose our score now. We are at 0 and it can go into the negatives, but now the game is treating it like we are rolling for the first time. Meaning that 7 in this case is a +1 value. And that is the basic gist of craps. Thank you.